first time I saw you, my heart skipped a beat. I never knew love could feel so sweet. Every word, every...
Ang ganda pala talaga ng view niya. And syempre before, hindi ko naman afford yung luxury hotels. Now, I get so nakikita ko na yung other side niya.
Smile that lights up my whole day.
Grabe yung nap ko. Deep sleep talaga. The bed was so comfortable.
Feeling love so true. Everything is bright.
Ganda talaga ng lobby ng Sofitel na to.
I can't explain this, it's all so new, but my heart knows it's all because
Hi everyone! Welcome to another hotel staycation, hotel review, luxury stay, whatever you want to call it. But currently we are here at Sofitel Macau at Pont 16. I don't know if I said it right. And I haven't slept yet because I had a red-eye flight last night. So definitely I'll be using the bed na. But I'll still be touring you around this hotel, the amenities, the experience as an Accor Platinum member as well. And I pronounce it correct kasi I used to pronounce it as Accor. Sabi nyo, Accor. Anyways, so if you're interested for another staycation experience, this time in Macau, come watch this vlog. So, my room is located sa executive floor. So once you enter, there is a full body mirror like most of the hotels. And then, toilet and bath is separate, which is common for 5-star hotels. And then, there's also a separate bathtub. So, as you can see, the room is outdated pero well-maintained. But, the bathtub has a television. So, may TV yung bathtub. Pero, I'll try it out later. I'm not sure kung ano yung mapapanood dyan. You have your cabinet with the bathrobe, of course. And then, pagpasok, you have a study table, the bed, and then the minibar. So, you have a flat screen TV and then the couch. Pero I think the view is nice. Let's go check it out. Wow. Very nice view. Ganda rin ng view ng Macau. Okay. And then the room itself, yes, the toilet and bath. Medyo, ano siya, 3/4 glass siya. So, since mag-isa lang naman ako, usually I don't put down the blinds anymore. And then, yeah, that's it. The room is quite big for Hong Kong, Macau size. It's not modern, pero it's well-maintained. Again, it's Sofitel. Just took a shower and I'm ready to go to bed now. But nag-alarm ako ng 2 o'clock because the afternoon tea starts at 2:30. I don't usually miss the afternoon tea and the evening cocktails at the executive lounge. Those are the things you pay for. In my case, my benefit as a platinum member. That's around 3 hours of sleep for me. So I'll see you later, guys. Hello, good morning. Well, it's not morning, it's 2 p.m. I just woke up and nag-shower na rin ako after my nap. So, I look fresh. And it's now time for afternoon tea. I haven't eaten today. Hindi pa ako nag-breakfast. I was tempted to do so earlier since free naman. But, you know, I needed to sleep kasi. So before I go to the lounge for the afternoon tea, I'd like to give my initial opinion of the hotel. First, there is no water in the hotel room, so I feel very dehydrated right now. I'm not sure if it's because ka-floor ko lang yung executive lounge, so I could easily go out and get whatever I need. Pero usually, I stayed in hotels like Swissôtel Osaka, nasa floor ko yung executive lounge, or even in Sofitel Manila, and yet there's Evian inside the room. And then second, no standard welcome amenity variety, no personalization, no basket of fruits, the usual you see in a 5-star hotel and the usual benefit of a platinum member from Accor. So, I'm not expecting naman if wala, edi wala. Pero it's, of course, it's part of the judgment or it's part of the rate. No, especially, this room category is one of the most expensive because it's as the same floor as the executive lounge. Next is the shower. It's either hot or cold. Walang warm, walang in between. Pero grabe yung nap ko. Deep sleep talaga. The bed was so comfortable. Sakto lang siya. It's not too soft. It's not too hard. Just the way I like it. No, so I was well rested for 3 hours. Again, I had a red eye flight. I had no sleep. And then, meron pala akong nakita dito. Walang welcome amenity or walang welcome letter. Pero merong memo na the pool is closed for 2 weeks. And when I was booking this, wala rin namang sinabi na sarado yung pool for maintenance or for renovation. So, yun, misleading lang din siya. Not that I would want to swim, especially medyo cold. Pero, of course, it's part of, you know, the aesthetic. You wanna see it with water. Etc. Pero from my room kasi nakikita ko wala siyang water ngayon eh. See, that's the pool area. Wala, diba? Wala siyang water. Yung pa naman yung isa sa mga selling point nila, they have a big pool. Well, anyways, it's now time for our afternoon tea. So, let's go to the executive lounge. Again, I'm staying the same floor sa executive lounge. So, lalabas na tayo. I'll just go get my jacket and get change a bit. Okay, it's now time for the afternoon tea. Dala ko yung laptop ko because I'll do some work. Let's walk going to the executive lounge. Okay, so we are here at the lounge having afternoon tea. Nag-mic na ako kasi nahihiya ako. Tahimik lang dito. So, the tea set is good for 2 people. Pero since mag-isa lang ako, binigay nila lahat sa akin. This lounge medyo mas self-service siya compared to other lounge. You really have to get your own drink, your own water. Parang medyo self-service siya. No? And then, they serve yung afternoon tea. Sometimes kasi buffet yung afternoon tea. Pero for this one, naka-tea set siya. Which is okay. Plus, the view is so nice. If makikita nyo yung view. Buti na lang hindi ako nag-breakfast so I can eat a lot today. So, afternoon tea is from 2:30 to 4 o'clock. And then, mamaya, evening cocktails is from 5:30 to 7:30 ata. Okay, so, hindi rin ako makalabas. This is the thing pag nag-check-in ako sa may executive lounge. Usually, hindi na ako nakakalabas for the day because I don't want to miss tong mga afternoon schedules nila. Pero all in all, I think it's good naman. I think itawag sa club lounge na Club Millissimi because meron din ganito sa Sofitel Manila before. And doon sa Sofitel Manila, marami talagang food doon. Dito medyo limited lang. Pero let's see mamaya during the evening cocktails. I haven't been in Macau for 12 years ata. And ang ganda pala talaga ng view niya. And syempre before, hindi ko naman afford yung luxury hotels. Now, I guess so nakikita ko na yung other side niya. Okay, so let's try this popular Macau egg tart. I had a lot of this nung nag-Portugal ako. And remember, Macau is a colony of Portugal. So, lasang-lasa talaga siya. So good. Bagay siya dito sa peppermint tea. Again, everything's free pag naka-check-in ka sa executive lounge. If wala ka naman lounge access because hindi ka pa platinum member, you can get a room with the lounge access. You just have to add few thousands. And sometimes sulit na rin siya because you don't have to think kung saan ka kakain. This one is good because it's sweet and savory. Sobrang sarap niya. Savory from the strawberry, pero meron siyang honey, jam, and then meron rin siyang cheese. Kaya siya savory. Tapos sweet yung honey at saka jam. I don't know how am I gonna finish all of this. So while waiting for the evening cocktail, let's just tour the property. kahit alam nating sarado yung pool. So, this hotel doesn't have a lot of facility. Yun lang, may pool, may restaurant, may gym at saka spa. So, we are now here sa lobby. And I've always loved yung lobby ng mga hotel sa Macau. Look at this one. So I'm just walking para lang mapagpag yung kinain kanina. I can't really go that far since meron din akong class later. And then malapit na rin yung evening cocktail hour. So wala naman tayo pupunta. I'm just walking around the area. So I'm just showing you the area around Sofitel Macau. And parang hindi siya touristy area, parang more of local area siya. Andito ako sa mga Changi or I'm not sure kung anong meron dito. Sinearch ko kasi yung mga tourist spots, yung mga Galaxy, yung Parisian, the London, mga 30 minutes away siya. Ayan, so ito yung area sa baba ng hotel. And ayun yung hotel, yung yellow na building. So if you don't wanna eat inside the hotel, marami ring food stalls here. And may mga kainan, noodles, Asian, Peking duck. Now let's go back to the hotel since 50-50 ako dito sa area. I mean, I'm not liking it so much. Baka hindi ko lang alam saan pupunta because I did not research it. I'm just really here to try out the hotel. This is not a sponsored vlog. I pay for all my hotels. So this is where the Harbor Ferry Terminal pala, maybe at the back. Nagra-rush yung mga tao sumakay ng bus. Pero it's 5 PM na, need to be back sa executive lounge by 5:30. Okay, so lumabas ako, diba? And then I just got back sa room and look kung anong meron. Welcome amenities. Yan. So, ginudge ko sila kagad kanina. So, and ang ganda so personalized. Yan, dear Mr. Carvajal, bonjour, thank you very much for your loyalty to Accor. Our team remains to your disposal to ensure your magnificent stay with us at Sofitel Macau at Ponte 16. Tinatago ko kasi talaga yung mga ganito. And they also have Evian water. Standard naman yan ni Sofitel, kaya alam ko Evian talaga. And then, they have pralines, or praline ba? Pralines. And then they have pralines here. And then they have sweets, yan. And of course, fruits na usually hindi ko naman talaga nakakain. Kasi sa executive lounge, ang dami na. Thank you for this letter. And welcome amenities. Okay, so we're back here at the Club Millissimi or at the executive lounge for evening cocktails. And let's see what they have or let's see kung ano prepare nila. Ang daming food. Busog pa nga ako from the afternoon tea. They also have gluten-free menu. They have noodles, Thai chicken curry, beef stew, curry, fried rice, chicken, bread pudding. Then they have vegetable spring rolls, grilled mochi, and country-style crispy fried chicken. Of course, they have the bar for the unlimited drinks. So they probably have wine, champagne, etc. Oh, this one. So they have these drinks. And then your usual non-alcoholic drinks. Today we're sitting here. Same view. So it's now 8 p.m. Hindi na ako naka-vlog because while eating and enjoying my drink here sa lounge, nagtuturo ako and nagra-run ako ng class. Though meron akong guest speaker today, hindi naman din masyado. Pero hindi na ako naka-vlog, hindi na ako naka-record kanina. So lounge hour is over and ang dami ka rin na inom. Sobrang sarap din ng food and ang babait din ng mga staff dito. So, okay. So, we'll be back for breakfast tomorrow. So, rest lang ako in a while sa room and then try ko mag-gym later. Hello, I'm going out for a night to walk. This is the casino behind me and this is Sofitel's lobby. Okay. It's already 1 a.m. I'm about to sleep na but I'm actually dehydrated since 1 bottle of water lang yung nilagay nila dito sa room ko. And I'm too lazy to request for another one. And sabi ko nga kanina, baka pupunta ako sa bar to get my free drinks and kakain ng dinner pero halos lahat maaga nagsasara dito sa Macau. Even yung fast food and restaurant outside close na. Even dito sa hotel na merong casino. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ang aga magsara nung lobby bar and then yung mga restaurants nila dito. There was nothing open from 11 o'clock onwards. I think kasi yung customer base dito is day trip lang from Hong Kong. So, hindi talaga masyadong uso siguro yung nightlife dito. So, titiisin ko na lang and pagising naman, we're going to have breakfast. So far, so good naman yung stay ko dito. This is what I call basic luxury. They don't really do the extra mile, no, to be at your service. Parang they just do the standard kasi 5-star hotel sila. So, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. But the food was good, especially sa lounge. There was a lot of selection. That's one of the evening cocktails na sobrang daming laman na food kasi minsan 2 ulam lang or cheese platter lang. Ito parang buffet spread talaga eh. And then, just like any other hotels, you can order your pillow, yung types of pillows na gusto mo. Ako hindi na ako nag-order. Since okay na ako dito, na-try ko to kanina, diba? Nag-nap tayo ng 3 hours and it's so comfy. So, that's it and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. I had a very good night's sleep. I think around 7 or 8 hours. I rarely get it in Manila. So it's now time for breakfast. And you have 2 options during breakfast. One is the main buffet restaurant, the cafe. The second one is at the executive lounge. I do love lounge breakfast because they prepare the eggs really well, like eggs ben or salmon royale, etc. All those kinds of fine dining preparation. No, it's well cooked for you. So plus it's much quieter. There's less crowd. It's easier to eat. Pero there's less choices, but everything you need is there. There's continental breakfast, there's meat, there's continental breakfast, there's protein, there's noodles, everything you need naman is there. It's a cold day today, so magja-jacket lang ako and then let's go. Can I have eggs ben? But instead of ham, is it possible to put like a salmon, like a smoked salmon on the eggs ben? Like an egg
use
royale
smoked salmon to instead of what?
ham, or in case there is like
I will
pork
ask
or-
our chef.
yes, because I don't eat pork,
Yes.
so eggs ben.
You don't want the pork, right?
Yeah, I don't want pork. I can't eat pork. And
Yes.
then like waffle. And do you happen to know the soup of the day? Is it like chicken or something?
Yes, I asked chef. Wait a moment. Our chef will come here to
Okay.
listen
Thank you.
to your demand.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
He used the term demand to listen to your demand. We don't usually use that word sa hotels. But then again, there's cultural differences. So we are here at the lounge already. I already ordered my eggs and we need to get the breakfast from the buffet.
No. We'll come back.
Chicken sausage, mushroom. Okay, so it's now time to cut the eggs. It's cooked well if it's runny. It's perfect. Okay, now been craving noodles since last night. And tiniis ko na lang kasi alam ko namang meron dito sa breakfast. And I'm really craving for chicken noodles. Buti na lang yung soup of the day today is chicken, yung stock. It's good but was expecting better kasi nasa China tayo, di ba? Okay, so this time naman, this is the food from the buffet setup. This is the food from the spread. Pero meron din sila yung by order and you can order as much as you want pag nasa executive lounge ka. And I hate it pag yung sausage, walang chicken. So, I always love buffet spread na meron chicken sausage. Because that's the only time na I can eat sausage kasi I don't eat pork. Okay, so we're done with breakfast. I'm just working a little bit before I take a shower and check out. They actually offered for a late checkout. Unfortunately, I can't because I still have another hotel to review in Hong Kong. So the earlier I arrive there, the better. By the way, their Wi-Fi is quite faulty. Pero overall, the hotel experience is good. I mean, it's a normal luxury standard hotel. Whatever you expect, you're getting it. But I did not feel the extra mile, as I said. Talagang they just go, maybe because in the Philippine 5-star hotels are different because we're much more hospitable. People here are just busy talaga. But maybe I'm going to rate the experience 7 out of 10. But then again, it's not really that expensive. I got this hotel for around 6,500 pesos with the members discount. So it's not bad. I had the free dinner, free breakfast. I never had to spend a penny because I was checked in at the executive floor, which is good. But overall, lahat naman ng in-expect ko, nakuha ko. And really, they followed the typical Sofitel standards. So that's it for this hotel review. If you did enjoy this staycation vlog, please let me know. Or if you have any comments about Accor membership or hacks or anything related to booking hotels or buying business class tickets, etc., just comment it down below. And don't forget to connect with me on my social media accounts, and I'll see you next time. Bye! It's checkout time. And that's it. It's now time to go. But I forgot this hotel slippers. No? Bring everything you can.